So I have a really interesting device in front of me. This is the original OnePlus One, where it all started for OnePlus. This thing is like a collector's item at this point now, but you probably also noticed these red boxes here. This is the new OnePlus 10 Pro 5G, and it's the one for the international market. It's the one that you've been waiting for. And there are some key differences between this one and the ones that you may have seen on YouTube at this point. The reason I have so many is because you have a chance to win one of these, well, at least one of 5, because I'm gonna keep one for myself for the unboxing video, which is coming up very shortly. All you have to do is check out the details down in the description for your chance to win and to be one of the first to get your hands on this brand new device. And these are the cool versions, by the way, in like the reviewer type kit. Now back to this OnePlus One. If you have been a OnePlus fan in the past, then OnePlus is speaking to you directly. If you've owned this device or any previous OnePlus device in the past, then OnePlus is speaking to you. Many people think, hey, maybe they forgot about us, the fan base that created this whole thing. Well, no, they didn't. They have something coming up on social media that could be very beneficial to you if you are the owner of this device right here or any previous OnePlus device. So make sure to pay attention to find out why that matters. It's a campaign called The Power of 10. It's a celebration of the 10th version of the OnePlus devices. So there you have it, something special for previous and current OnePlus fans and a chance to win one of 5 of the brand new OnePlus 10 Pro 5G. Once again, all the details are down in the description. Check it out and good luck.